Greetings, Baton Rouge. I'm Autumn Payton, coming to give you an introduction into our governor coming to us. At about 2:30, the governor will speak to us about some of the newer vaccine incentives that he is offering. If you remember correctly, we have the Shot for Shot program where you can get a shot for your COVID vaccine if you present that over to the bar or restaurant, give that to your server, and you may be able to get a non-alcoholic beverage or an alcoholic beverage of your choice if you were to show your vaccine card. Also, the other incentive that is going on until July 31st, the governor says that all of those who have been vaccinated, they can get into state parks for free. So we're going to take a look over here at the presser to see if Governor Bel Edwards has made it to the podium. He has not, but we can go ahead and take a look at some of these COVID numbers. If you come over to the website, if you come over to the one-stop shop over here, as of Thursday, June 17th, the Louisiana Department of Health, they reported that we have 335 new cases of COVID. Unfortunately, 7 new deaths, 248 new patients in the hospital, and 42 patients on the vent. So we're keeping those COVID numbers current for you. We're here to see if Governor Bel Edwards will announce any new vaccine incentives. We heard from him earlier today in his 11:30 presser that he discussed some of the storm preparations from, he spoke with the administrator from FEMA and they discussed some of the storm preparations. So busy day for the governor as he is coming to us at the podium, well, coming to us soon from the podium to give us some of those updates. So we'll be back to give you some of those. We'll leave you with the COVID numbers so you can check that out on the website. Now, while we're keeping an eye on the presser to get started, let's just go over some of the things that the governor discussed in his earlier press conference. So if you remember, we did hear that the expectation for the weather event is to focus on the rain, but just a small amount. 1 to 8 inches is actually expected for our viewing area. So everyone in the Louisiana area, he is suggesting that you get a game plan together. If you go to ready.org, that was one of the websites that that he and the FEMA administrator gave a little earlier. Get ready.org and also get a game plan.org. Those are the two that they mentioned in the earlier press conference when they spoke with the FEMA administrator. The FEMA administrator also stated that she had been speaking with local emergency management leaders we see Governor John Bel Edwards is headed to. Let's go ahead and switch over to that.
Good afternoon, everybody. As you can see, things look a little different in the room today, and that's because we are celebrating. And what we're celebrating is an opportunity for Louisianans who have already received or will soon receive their COVID-19 vaccine. And obviously, there's an opportunity for you to protect yourself against the risk of COVID-19 and protect your family and friends as well, but this is about more than that. I do want to thank the Mahogany Brass Band for coming in today and leading us off with the official state song. Music is a tremendously important part of our state's culture, and live music took a hit during the pandemic, but I can tell you the good times are beginning to roll again. We are getting our sunshine back, and live music is roaring back as well. But the reason that's happening is because we do have 3 safe and effective vaccines. And they protect ourselves, they protect our communities, and they are our ticket back to full normalcy. I'm joined today by Dr. Joe Cantor with the Louisiana Department of Health, but also the Commissioner of Higher Education, Dr. Kim Hunter-Reid. And of course, it's always a great day for me when Donna, our First Lady, joins me for a big announcement. And I suspect that you all probably have an idea of what this press conference is about and what I'm going to announce in just a few moments. If you don't, I'll drop a big hint. Just look at the decorations. And I think now is the time I'm going to scoot over here and we're going to unveil what's hiding behind these, I think they're actually tablecloths. Let's see. So your name here just won $1 million. No. Obviously, we are announcing our Shot at $1 Million initiative, which is a new COVID vaccine reward program for the month of July. This is part of our larger Bring Back Louisiana campaign. The way this is going to work is 14 lucky Louisianans with at least 1 COVID shot will win cash prizes or scholarships throughout the month of July, culminating with a grand prize of $1 million. There will be 4 $100,000 prizes for adults 18 and up, 9 $100,000 scholarships for children between 12 and 17,